Alright guys, we're going to do a quick review of this Noble Jerky. This is vegan beef jerky. And this is their Chipotle flavor. I did a review of their barbecue flavored a while back, so it wasn't the best. It was kind of like slimy, so I'm hoping this one is a little different. So take a look. This is the ingredients if you guys want to read it. Soy protein, black bean sauce, rice vinegar, and it's got about 12 grams of sugar, 7 grams of protein. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is Chipotle flavored. Look at that. Smells like it's got some heat, so it'll be interesting. Like I said, I'm hoping it's not slimy, so you can see the chili is in there. Okay, this is the one to buy, guys. This one is less slimy than the barbecue one. And this one has a lot of flavor. The herbs and spices really come through with this one. And you can taste this texture of almost like beef. I would say this is the one to buy, guys. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Tastes almost like meat.